Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can clear the recent search history or search activity in the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, you simply delete these entries from the recent activity tab here on your Waterfox start page. So here you see all websites you have just visited recently. So click into these three dots in the top right corner of the page and simply select delete from history. Alternatively, you may also select and dismiss. However, guys, if there's quite a lot of these entries and you would like to delete them all at once, you will need to clear your browsing history here on Waterfox. So it works actually the same way as on any other web browser. Click into these three lines in the top right, and after that navigate or hover your mouse onto history, click into it. After that, select clear recent history. And after that, simply select the items or elements you would like to delete, like cookies and site data, the download and browsing history, temporary cached files and pages, and so on and so forth. For example, from the last hour, which is pretty recent, but you can also go with last 2 hours, last 4 hours, since 12 a.m. or everything. And confirm by clicking into clear here. And there you go. As you can see, the recent activity entries have been deleted from the history, guys. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.